Hey guys, Mr. Cycler here. So real quick, in order to create a new folder in OneDrive, all you have to do is click on New and click on New Folder. It will then ask you what that folder should be called. I want you guys all to make yourself a folder that says 7th grade. If you already have one, excellent. If you don't, please make this folder. After creating this folder, I want you guys to go into that folder and I want you guys to create a couple other folders. So a folder for every class that you have. So social, studies, English, math, create a folder for all your classes, and then put all of those folders inside of your 7th grade folder. If you want to traverse OneDrive, you guys can just simply click back where the folders are over here. So if I'm in the 7th grade folder and I click Documents, it'll take me back to Documents. If I go back inside the 7th grade folder, you can see I can freely traverse by clicking on the folder in Documents. Even if I create a new folder called Inside Folder, and I go inside that folder, I can then go back to the 7th grade folder and go back to Documents to navigate this way. So finally, if you want to delete anything, you can click on the little checkbox or click on multiple things to delete something. Click on the arrow and go ahead and click on Delete. If you want the things to remember, I think what you have to hold down is Control. So if you hold down Control when you're holding this, it should allow you to delete multiple different parts in the OneDrive, which is super handy for the OneDrive purge, which you're going to have to do soon because you guys have a lot of files and they're probably not organized yet. So that's it. That's how you navigate OneDrive.